Pronetcus Premium Scraper, suitable for saltwater tank and freshwater aquariums. Replaceable blade, easy to install and replace blade. Perfect cleaning. Large size knife head, clean the aquarium glass more thoroughly. Safety protection. With a plastic blade cover, safe storage, very solid. Light and durable. Please choose the right length of the scraper according to the height of the aquarium glass. Top reviews from the United States. Surprisingly good. Previous to getting this tool, I used a little scraping blade to clean the sides of my tanks. I will never go back. Not only is this wider than the old blade, but since my whole hand isn't in the water when cleaning the glass, when I move my blade away it doesn't cause such a huge vortex where the algae gets moved all over the place. I can carefully move away the blade and the algae mostly stays in the same place, where I can then suck it up with a vacuum later. It also completely removes the algae. The blade is so sharp that it is a total night and day difference when I use it. It is one of the most satisfying things ever. I have a small tank specifically used for growing algae on pieces of plastic that I then transfer into another tank for my otocinclus and bristlenose plecos to eat, and every now and then I remove the algae from the glass so that the nutrients can be used by the algae on the plastic, and so normally there is quite a buildup by the time I get to it. This tool removes it in sheets. The algae kind of sticks together and just falls down like a curtain crumpled on the floor, and then I can come by and get rid of it in one swoop with almost no algae floating away into the water column, which wouldn't be a problem for me, but in a normal tank it would be. One thing about it that I don't know yet, is if it rusts. I tend to leave it not completely dry so it opens up to possible rusting. I haven't noticed any so far, already way better than normal blades that will rust overnight if water is left on it, but I don't know if it is rusting inside of the holder where water may be getting trapped.